Now, Jamaica's under-20 Reggae Girlz have been eliminated from the CONCACAF Championship after going down 2-1 to the host nation, the Dominican Republic, in quarterfinal action on Wednesday. Simon Preston reports.
The Jamaicans came into this encounter on the back of scoring 20 goals in their first 4 games of the tournament, while the Dominican Republic only mustered up 11 from their 4 fixtures. The young Reggae Girlz had the first chance of the game in minute 13 as captain Jodie Brown was denied her 9th goal of the tournament. The Jamaicans were made to pay for that missed opportunity as the Dominican Republic took the lead through Cristina Garcia in the 35th minute. But this woke up the Jamaicans as almost 80 seconds later, they were gifted a chance which was fully accepted by Brown to secure the equaliser. As the Jamaicans pushed for the lead in the second half, the home side hit them on the counter as Mia Asenjo got what turned out to be the winner in the 74th minute. In stoppage time, the Jamaicans searched for an equaliser, but Dominican keeper Nailas Lopez ensured her side would be marching on into the last 4. The 2-1 result eliminated the Jamaicans from the competition and out of contention to qualify for the FIFA Under-20 World Cup. Despite the elimination, this is the nation's best ever run at the CONCACAF Women's Under-20 Championship since 2006, where they reached the semi-final stage. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.